Yeah, so basically just 10 minutes later, I didn't want to run a 10-minute video. I think my GoPro's dying after doing all these videos as well. So yeah, just a quick one, follow up. 23 minutes past 9. And we've been basically just a follow up video really, to show that 10 minutes later the banging's still happening. And like the previous video, we'll end it when the next bang happens. And that's the voices from the tenant upstairs talking to her son. And this is basically above my bedroom. There we go, there's the bang. There was one before, but I don't think the camera would have picked it up. Yeah, that's what it's like. Must be video, I don't know, 250 that will be published. Not published, uploaded. Gives you an idea of the excessive amount of noise that we have to deal with here. Nighty night.